Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. Sinéad O'Connor's wax likeness is getting a do-over. Just one day after its debut at Dublin's National Wax Museum, the museum announced Friday that the late Irish singer's wax figure will be removed and recreated following both the displeasure of her brother John and the public's feedback. John told RT's Liveline that the wax figure was inappropriate and looked between a mannequin and something out of the Thunderbirds. "It looked nothing like her and I thought it was hideous," he added. In a statement posted on social media, the National Wax Museum said, "In response to the public's feedback regarding the wax figure, we acknowledge that the current representation did not meet our high standards or the expectations of Sinéad's devoted fans." The figure was officially unveiled Thursday, to coincide with the first anniversary of the singer's death. The museum added, "We have listened closely to the reactions and agree that the figure does not fully capture Sinéad's unique presence and essence as we intended." While noting that O'Connor's impact on Ireland and the music industry were immeasurable, the museum said its goal was always to honor her in the most fitting and respectful manner, and therefore it is committed to creating a new wax figure that better reflects Sinéad O'Connor's true spirit and iconic image. "Our team of skilled artists will begin this project immediately, ensuring that every detail is meticulously crafted to celebrate her legacy appropriately," the museum said. The National Wax Museum concluded by thanking everyone who provided their feedback and said it looks forward to unveiling a new figure that truly honors Sinéad O'Connor and her extraordinary impact. O'Connor was found unresponsive on July 26 last year in her home in London, and was later pronounced dead. Months later, the London Inner South Coroner's Court clerk told Entertainment Weekly that Ms. O'Connor died of natural causes and the coroner has therefore ceased their involvement in her death. The "Nothing Compares to You" singer was 56.